Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. 10 skills global job aspirants need to excel. Introduction. The list of desirable traits to be global ready for employment is long but not endless. We have to empower our young aspirants with the right skills right through their education so that they become job ready from day one. Here is my list of skills to make graduates work ready. Teamwork. The need to work within a team and become a part of it is important for any fresh talent getting into an entry level job. It is a must skill to have in today's work environment where large projects are often executed by teams spread across the world. Individualism can easily derail a well oiled project team. Clear communication. Each fresh talent should be equipped with communication skills. Since teams are scattered across all over the world, knowledge of English as the common language of communication is a must. Moreover, talent should know how to communicate on multiple platforms like email, video conference, telephone, and face to face discussions. The inability to understand instructions is a negative that will ensure that the candidate never gets to work with international teams. Analytical skills. In a global work environment, there is one skill that goes a long way in establishing an individual's talent. With inputs pouring in from all over and at a fast pace, there is no one available to decode and explain each new instruction. People need to have the ability to analyze and work out complex problems on their own. There are no textbook problems or solutions in the real world. Adaptability and positive attitude towards change management. Change is the norm, especially in high-end industries such as media, medicine, telecommunication, and information technology. New information pours in every day and there are no fixed models of doing a job. When changes come, they have to be incorporated. There is no place for a laid-back person or one who gets jittery or irritated by change. Fresh talent should be open to the idea that work is never executed like it was taught in schools or colleges. There is always room for improvisation. Creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. Creativity is rated highly in any industry today. There are big prizes for individuals who can think differently. We need to urge our youngsters to never lose their creative edge if they want to stay ahead. Taking the lead. Leadership skills are highly rated in individuals. A person with leadership skills will not just get a job done but also pull the team to a photo finish by motivating and supporting them throughout. Computer proficiency. This is given, though many talents coming from Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities are often not comfortable with computers. Every aspirant for any job today should know basic computer skills such as operating emails, making presentations, and using Word and Excel. Apart from being internet savvy, almost all jobs mandate this. Emotional intelligence. Many young individuals fail to recognize when they are being guided and often mistake it for criticism. This is especially true for those in service-oriented industries, where they may not realize that a customer's frustration is directed at the product or service rather than at them personally. As a result, they struggle to handle even minor setbacks and quickly give up. Developing and applying emotional intelligence is essential for new talent to thrive in their careers and personal growth. Negotiation skills. The power of negotiation is a very strong tool that empowers an individual when working with people at various levels, whether handling clients, customers, bosses, or team members. The ability to negotiate helps young talent to maintain a level playing field at work. People management. We all know the quote, individuals don't leave organizations, they leave their bosses. Not just bosses, but fellow team members who don't see eye to eye often get on each other's nerve. People management skills allow young talents to coexist in highly competitive work environments that tend to become taxing if they don't know how to make friends and influence people. Apart from these, we must focus on hands-on training in every field. This can be done the old-fashioned way through internships or stimulated learning. This must be made mandatory across the board. The list of desirable traits is long but not endless. We have to enable our young aspirants with these basic skills right through their education so that they become job ready from day one. As the world gets ready to shift to artificial intelligence, we should not only insist on changes in the delivery methods but a thorough upgrading of the syllabus as well. As leaders of the skill development industries, we must keep our ears to the ground and ensure that we don't miss a beat. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.